Run that back, Turbo.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I did my own box braids, and I'm using Mizzarica hair. I got it from Amazon and it came in 8 packs, and I'm going to show you the length, and the color of the hair was 1B, and it's super long. I don't know what inch it is, but it's super long and it looks good on my head, so I really like it. I parted a section in my hair and braided it, and I'm crocheting the hair in, as you can see, and this helps me grip the hair better, and it helps me not break my hair off from using rubber bands, so it's a good method. Shout out to Beauty Can Braid because she helped me. So I braided my sections. I'm putting my hair in the crochet needle and pulling it through the hair, and I'm siding it out. And now I'm getting my other set of hair, splitting it apart to my desired length, and I'm about to braid all of it together. It's super easy, you guys. Super easy. So this concludes my video. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love my box braids. Love you.